In this video, we will show you how to set Google as default browser on Microsoft Edge. In here, when using Microsoft Edge, Bing set as default when you search anything. For example, in here, how to get help in Windows. You can see the Microsoft Bing is used as default when you search on the browser. How to set Google as default browser? Okay, in here you can click this menu and select settings in here. After you select settings, you can click the privacy, search and services, and please scroll down in here. You can see here there is on the bottom address bar and search menu. Click this and search engine used in the address bar. This is using Bing, okay, from Microsoft. You can set to Google by choosing this drop down. Select Google in here. Okay, when you click again and search anything, how to screenshot on Windows, you will see the Google is set as search engine or browser. And that's all tutorial how you can set Google as browser or search engine on Microsoft Edge. Hope this video helpful for you.